All right, so I quickly wanted to just wrap up everything that we have talked about so far in this section. We've gone a little bit out of the way to learn how to properly do automated software testing. However, I think it was critical. It is so important for you to understand everything that we have talked about because it's going to raise your automated testing skills into such a new level that nobody else will be able to match it. So that's why we started out by learning exactly what Scrum is. We learned how you work as an automation engineer in Scrum to be efficient, to do everything properly. Afterwards, we learned how Scrum works, and then we started doing a little bit of manual testing. We just wrote some test cases just to show you guys an example of how that process would work. We also learned the goals of automated testing or testing in general, which are to prevent bugs from getting to the client and ultimately ensuring that the application is of the highest quality, because a higher quality product translates into more money for your employer, which translates into jobs for you and job security for you. And finally, we talked about automated software testing and its benefits, why it is so much more superior to manual testing, and why the IT industry is headed this way of learning automated software testing, why there is such a shift. It's actually called shift left phenomenon, where many employers are moving towards software development engineers and test who know how to write code to test code. Because of all the benefits that we talked about, you can see that it has much higher value to an employer to have all those skills in an engineer as opposed to just manual testing. And as sad as it is, as sad as I am to say it, I feel like that manual testing is just going down, and automated testing skills are becoming more and more required because they are so much more valuable than just being a manual tester. So with all of that said, we are ready to jump into our next amazing section where we're going to finally start learning about Selenium, the best automation testing tool on the planet. And then we're going to become experts, master it, step out there, create amazing automation frameworks, and kill the industry with amazingness.